Hi my dear students, I am Deepa here to present one more topic in front of you. As you already observed that in previous class I started unit 2 from history part, that is our Karnataka. As you already know, Karnataka has 4 divisions: Mysuru Division, Mysuru Division, Belagavi Division and Kalaburgi Division. In previous class, I had completed the explanation of Bengaluru Division. In today's class, I am going to explain about Mysuru Division and a very rich division of Karnataka state. In this topic, I am going to complete 3 main points. Those are Introduction to Mysuru Division, History of Mysuru Division and Natural Resources of Mysuru Division. Mysuru is one of the administrative division of Karnataka. Wadeyar kings ruled in Mysuru Division and Mysuru was the capital of Wadeyar dynasty. In Mysuru Division total 8 districts are there. They are Mysuru, Mandya, Hasan, Udupi, Chikmagaluru, Kodagu, Chamarajnagara and Dakshina Kannada. These are the 8 districts in Mysuru Division. Mysuru Division has rich districts and Mysuru is famous for mountain ranges, forests and also dense forest, coffee plantation, wild animals, coastal areas and ports. So this is about the introduction of Mysuru Division. Let's move on to the another point, that is history of Mysuru Division. The history of Mysuru Division begins with the Gangas dynasty. Talakadu was the capital of Gangas. After the decline of Ganga dynasty, Hoysalas, Cholas and Vijayanagara kings also ruled in this area. Along with this, I told already, Wadeyar dynasty also ruled for many centuries and also Hyder Ali and his son Tippu Sultan. These also ruled for few years. And Mysuru, it was called Mahishanadu. The reason behind this, the goddess Parvati killed Mahishasura in the form of Chamundeshwari. It means goddess Parvati killed Mahishasura as Chamundeshwari. Till today you can see Chamundeshwari hill and Chamundeshwari temple in Mysuru, and also Mahishasura statue also you can observe. Whenever you are going to visit Mysuru, you can observe the statue of Mahishasura. That Mahishasura was killed by Chamundeshwari. The place where Mahishasura was killed became Mysuru. Present also we are calling it as Mysuru only. As I already told you, Wadeyar kings also ruled in the Mysuru. And in the Wadeyar dynasty, Yaduraya was the first king and Chikkadevaraya Wadeyar was most famous king. The kings who succeeded Chikkadevaraya Wadeyar were very weak in administration. In the same time, in the Wadeyar dynasty or in the Wadeyar kingdom, Hyder Ali was working as military general and he took the advantage of weakness of the kings. And especially these Wadeyar kings were very weak in administration. He has taken the advantage of that and he took over the administration of Mysuru. He started to rule. Hyder Ali and his son Tippu Sultan ruled Mysuru from 1761 to 1799. Nearly 38 years they ruled Mysuru. Tippu Sultan waged many wars against British and he negotiated it means ಸಂಧಾನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾರೆ, negotiated with French. ಅಂದರೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಚರ ಜೊತೆ ಸಂಧಾನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಾನೆ. ಯಾರು? ಟಿಪ್ಪು ಸುಲ್ತಾನ್. ಸೊ ಟಿಪ್ಪು ನೆಗೋಟಿಯೇಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಚ್ ಟು ಡೆಥ್ರೋನ್ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ರೂಲ್ ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರ ಆಡಳಿತವನ್ನು ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಅವರನ್ನು ಭಾರತದಿಂದ ಹೊರ ಹಾಕೋದಕ್ಕೆ he has taken the help of many kings and also French. Tippu had died in the war of 1799. In the war of 1799 against the British. In that particular war, Tippu had died. After the death of Tippu Sultan, Britishers occupied the administration of Mysuru and handed over to Wadairs. But because of weak administration in Wadairs king, again that is took back in the 1831. It means Britishers took back the administration from Wadairs because of weak administration of Wadairs. But after the few years, it means in the 1881, again administration handed over to Wadairs only. In the Wadairs kingdom, one of the famous king, Krishnaraja Wadayar IV, he has ruled very good with a good administration, and also he took many development programs in the Mysuru, especially in the field of culture, education and irrigation. In the same time, there were two divans. They were in the Mysuru Wadairs kingdom only. Those are Sir M. Vishveshwaraya, he was a divan, Sir M. Vishveshwaraya, and one more divan, Sir Mirza Ismail. These two also undertook many development programs, and he has developed marvelously this Mysuru area in their period of administration. So after this, Mysuru kingdom got integrated into the Republic of India after independence. It means before Mysuru kingdom was separate from the India. It means it was separate state, but after the independence it integrated into India. The districts of this division also have history of being ruled by different dynasties. For example, Kodagu was ruled by many dynasties. Among them, Haleri dynasty is one of the important dynasty, and Bidunuru was their capital. Chikkavira Raja was the last ruler of Haleri dynasty, and he was very weak in administration. So British took this time as advantage and took over the administration of Kodagu. But after the independence of India also, Kodagu remained separate state, but in 1956 it got integrated into Mysuru state. Integrated in the sense, Mysuru, the Kodagu joined in the Mysuru state. So this is about the Kodagu. Next, the coastal area of Karnataka is called Tulunadu. Which places are comes in the coastal areas means from this division Udupi and Dakshina Kannada. These also ruled by Alupas dynasty from 7th century to 14th century. Even this Tulunadu was ruled by Palegaras also. So the coastal Karnataka was called Canara by the British. They took over this area in 1801. It means in the 1801 the Britishers took over the administration of this coastal area. These coastal areas are called by Britishers as Canara, and the Britishers divided these coastal areas as Dakshina Kannada and Uttara Kannada, and Udupi district was created in 1997 by dividing Dakshina Kannada district. Means then it became 3 coastal areas: Udupi separate district, Dakshina Kannada separate district, and Uttara Kannada separate district. They made separate districts. So this is about the history of Mysuru Division. So let's move on to the next point of Mysuru Division, that is natural resources of Mysuru Division. This division has varied climate. Udupi and Dakshina Kannada districts have coastal areas, and these are called coastal areas only. Since this division has coastal belt, mountain ranges and dense forest. Dense forest, it means thick forest. The climate of this division is called rain based hot climate. The districts of Mysuru Division, those are Mysuru and Mandya, have dry climate. The Udupi district receives highest rainfall in Mysuru Division, whereas Mandya district receives lowest rainfall. Since the division has varied climate condition and mountain ranges and forest, variety of forest, and also they grow in this division, people grow varieties of crops. So like crops are ragi, paddy, green gram, horse gram, maize and other crops also grown here. Coffee, sugarcane, tobacco, areca nut, cardamom, orange, cashew nuts and others are major commercial crops grown in the Mysuru Division. The first coffee in India was cultivated in Chikkamangaluru district. Betel leaves are grown in many parts of this division. This division is rich with natural resources. There are many types of forests in Kodagu, Dakshina Kannada and Chikkamangaluru district. Teak, sandalwood, honge, nandi, mati and other trees are available in forest. Forests of this division are known for their quality minor forest produces like honey and adhesive, wild berries and others also. This division has many big and small mountains. Some names of mountains are Subramanya Hill, Himavada Gopalaswamy Hill, Malai Mahadeshwara Hill, Biligiri Rangana Hill, Mullayanagiri Hill, Kembannugundi, Chamundi Hill, Chandragiri and Indragiri of Shravana-Belagola are few known mountains from Mysuru Division. Mysuru Division is known for its dense forest and also famous for its vast biodiversity. So we can see many wild animals in the forest like tiger, leopard, wild dogs, deer, fox, bison, snakes and other wild animals also we can see in the forest area. The following are the famous rivers from Mysuru Division. Already I told Mysuru has many rivers like Kaveri river, Hemavati river, Harangi, Netravati, Kumaradhara and Vedavati river, Kapila river, Yagachi and Gangoli are the rivers flowed in a Mysuru division. There are many waterfalls also we can observe in the Mysuru division. Those are Gaganachukki, Bharachukki, Abbe Falls, Irupu Falls and Hebbe Falls, and many others also we can identify from the Mysuru division. Mysuru division is also rich with the minerals. We can find many minerals like bauxite, felsite, chromite, limestone, manganese, granite are the major available minerals in Mysuru division. Felsite is available only in the Mysuru district, and also in the Mysuru division, coastal areas like Udupi and Dakshina Kannada are coastal areas. These area people are mainly their work is fishing. It means fishing is the major occupation of the people of coastal area. And here we can see many ports also, fishing ports. They transport fish from our state to other countries. And also in Chikmagaluru and Mysuru district have became the center of timber trade. Timber trade it means ಮರದ ದಿಂಡುಗಳ ಸಾಗಾಣಿಕೆ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಟಿಂಬರ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮರದ ದಿಂಡುಗಳು ಅಂದರೆ ಮರದ ಲಾಗ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಬಿಗ್ ಲಾಗ್ಸ್. ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಅದರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ today's class, and in this session you have completed 3 points from the Mysuru division. So let's continue with the other points in the next class. Thank you so much.